Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to explain about human resource management and the functions of HRM. So, the meaning of HRM. Human resource is a source like any another natural resource. It means that management can get the use of skill, knowledge, ability, etc. through the development of skills and tapping and utilizing them again and again for achieving of the objectives of an organization. So generally the main aim of the HRM is to lead a group of people towards a common goal that was also expected by a organization. Next one is definition of HRM. According to Flippo, human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of the producement and development, compensation, integration, maintenance and reproduction of human resources to the end, and that can be individual, organizational and social objectives are accomplished by the group of people. So this is the general definition of HRM. So next one is functions of human resource management: managerial functions, operative functions and advisory functions. So what are the managerial functions? Planning, organizing, directing, controlling. These are the basic managerial functions of the HRM, that means human resource management. So what is the planning? One of the primary function where number and type of employees needed to accomplish organizational objectives. Next one is organizing is the task of allocating to every member as per their skills and activities integrated towards a common goal. Next one is about directing. So this includes activating employees at different levels and making them to contribute maximum towards of the organizational objectives. This is the maximum potentialities of the employees will be shown in this. Next one is about controlling. Post planning, organizing and directing performance of an employee is checked in each and every level and verified and compared with their actual goals. So if actual performance is found, then the performance of the employees will be improved. Next one is about operative functions: recruitment, job analysis, training, salary, employment, maintenance, compensation and separation. Recruitment is the hiring is a process which brings pool of prospective candidates who can help organizations to achieve their goals and allows management to select right candidates from the given pool of list. Next one is about job analysis and design. Describing nature of the job like qualification, skills, work experience required for a specific job position is another important operative function. Job design includes outlining tasks, duties and responsibilities of that particular job. Next one is about job analysis. Job analysis is having of two descriptions: job description and job analysis. Job description is having of a title of the job, duties, responsibilities and superior subordinate relationship and other job details. Training and development. This function allows employees to acquire new skills and knowledge to perform their job effectively. Training and development also prepares employees for higher level of responsibilities, so which improves the development of the employees. Next one is salary administration. Human resource department also determines pays for different job types and includes compensations, incentives, bonus, benefits, etc. related with their job functions. Based on the amount of work that was given by the employees, they will get their salaries. Employee welfare. This function takes care of number of services, benefits and facilities provided to an employee for their well-being. Benefits will be given by the management to the employees. Maintenance. Minimizing employee turnover and sustaining best performing employees within the organization is the key. Next one is about compensation. This function is concerned with the determination of adequate and equitable remuneration of the employees in the organization of their contribution to the organizational goals. So the personals can also be compensated with both terms of financial and non-financial. Next one is about separation. The organization is responsible for meeting certain requirements of due process in separation, as well as assuming that the returned person is having of some business units that will be bifurcated. Next one is advisory functions to the top level management and to the departmental needs. So here advisors will be given to the top level management as well as the departmental heads in the organization. So personnel manager advises the top management in formulation and evaluation of personnel programs, policies, procedures. He also gives advice for achieving and maintaining good human relations and high employee morale. Next one, advice to departmental heads. Personnel manager also offers the advices to the heads of various departments on matters such as manpower planning, job analysis and design, recruitment and selection, placement, training and etc. Thanks for watching.